Antares Autotune versus Wavetune. Which one should you use? We're gonna compare these two Autotunes in today's video. Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio. We're gonna use these vocals to decide which Autotune is the best, the Antares Autotune or the Waves Autotune. Alright, first thing first, I'm gonna route this to the mixer track 1. Then I'm gonna route the backings to mixer track 2. Alright, let's go to the mixer track. But before then, guys, listen to the vocals, which is completely dry, no autotune. Alright,
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the days when it was just me. Before I met you, before I got all these wounds. You said I love you always, but always as a promise that no one can keep. Thought you were the one in my dreams. Guess I'll just keep fantasizing. You said I love you always, but always as a promise that no one can keep. Thought you were the one in my dreams. Guess I'll just keep fantasizing.
alright, that's pretty simple. So let's go to the mixer tracks. Comment, let me know your favorite. Let me know which one are you going for, the Antares Autotune or the Waves Autotune. I'm gonna solo the lead vocals. Alright, so which one should come first? Which one? Let's go for Antares. Alright, so let's go for the Antares Autotune artist. Now we're gonna use the Antares Autotune artist. The key is F minor. If you don't know how to detect the right key of unknown vocals or instrument, I have a lot of videos. Alright, you can go and watch my previous videos and I will take you through. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna set it straight F minor. Alright, now we're gonna compare the features on the Antares Autotune. So it comes with routine speed and flex tune, natural vibrator, humanize. Then you can also transpose, detune, then what else? Advanced mode. Alright, you can actually switch to advanced mode, but in today's video we're gonna use the normal or the simple views, the simple mode. So guys, we have not cranked any knobs here. Let's listen to that.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding.
Alright, then I'm gonna push the routine speed all the way up. I'm gonna crank the routine speed all the way up like this. Let's listen.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the days when it was just me.
Oh, this is crazy. Wow, this is super crazy. Let's add a little bit humanize. Then guys, let me go for reverb. Alright, let's add reverb, and we're gonna use the default reverb from FL Studio, Fruity Reverb 2. Alright, let's increase the room size, decay time, give it a little bit, the delay, increase the delay a little bit. Then we're gonna put the decay time. Alright, let's detach the reverb so that I can be playing with the knobs. Then also detach the Autotune. Alright guys, so now let's look at this Antares Autotune with only this reverb. Listen.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the days when it was just me, before I met you, before.
Alright, so I'm gonna increase the weight. Alright, so now this is the setting for the reverb. What I'm gonna do is to increase the weight here. It's gonna sound a little bit messed up, but watch the video. I'm gonna show you something. Alright, so listen.
Sunday turned into Friday.
Now you can hear that the reverb is small, so we're gonna control the knob here, mix the level, then drag it a little bit back to about 30%. Alright, now listen.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the day.
Now let's add the backends. We're gonna insert the same Autotune, Antares Autotune artist. Okay, set the key F minor. Give the video a like if it helps you, then pull the routine speed all the way down. Then guys, let's listen.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the days when it was just me, before I met you, before I got all these wounds. You said I love you always, but always as a promise to no.
Alright, so there's the Antares Autotune. Let's move on to the wave tune, and we're gonna compare which one is the best. Alright, let's go for the wave tune. Alright, wave tune, wave tune, wave tune. Alright, so let me use, alright, let me detach that one too, so that we can move it freely on the screen. Now this is wave tune. Let's change the scale to minor, then the key to F. Alright, now let's listen to wave tune on the vocals.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding,
And I'm gonna pull the routine speed all the way up.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh.
Okay, so let's do that for the backing vocals too. We're gonna choose the same key, F. Alright, push the routine speed. Super simple. Now let's listen to wave tune on the same vocals. I've muted the Antares Autotune.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the days when it was just me, before I met you, before I got all these wounds. You said I love you always, but always as a promise that no one can keep. Thought you were the one in my dreams. Guess I'll just keep fantasizing. You said I love you always, but always as a promise that no one can keep. Thought you were the one in my dreams. Guess I'll just keep fantasizing.
Alright guys, so this is from wave tune. Alright, now let's bring Antares Autotune again. Comment in the description box. Let me know your favorite. Let me know your favorite, the best one, the best that you are going for. Which Autotune? Sorry, which auto tune is your favorite? All right, let's go. Then mute the waves, bring the. All right, so now let's listen to auto tune artist again.
Sunday turned into Friday. I spent 5 days hiding, trying everything to forget you, trying to get back to my youth. Oh, how things have changed. I've fallen from grace. I miss the days when it was just me. Before I met you, before I got all these wounds.
Alright guys, in my opinion, I will go for Antares Autotune. Crazy. Comment in the description box. Let me know your favorite. Alright, super simple. If you want to get this Antares Autotune, you can actually click on the official link in the description box and guys, purchase your version. You have to invest into expensive plugins like this. Wave Autotune 2 is best for you. If you want to take your music production to the next level, then go and get these auto tunes. So now let me know which one is the best. The name is Godside, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Give the video a like, subscribe to join the community. Until then, do more music, come back for more. Stay blessed.